My frame is a 61 centimeters Brooklyn bicycle white version. I think the year is 2006. The reason why is because the new frames of these ones, the geometry is different, and if you can see the geometry here, it's a little bit low. So it's a little bit aggressive. I've been modified it a lot. I put a carbon frame. I have Suzu Pro Max wheel set. My carbon fork is a Reynolds, and I have a Thompson stem right here. The bar tape, I need to replace it. It's a lizard skin. I have a titanium seat post, Set Italia, and the most important, Gengar.